Okay, so I will take the first unit, okay, for your communication education technology, which is
Yes, ma'am.
education, its meaning, definition, aims, approaches, then the philosophies of education. Okay, so all those. So for today, I'll be taking about meaning, definition, aims, and approaches. So can anybody tell me what do you mean by education? When somebody says education, what do you understand? Education. Education
Ma'am, it
is not the learning
might
of
be.
facts.
It
Yes,
could be anything, not only it could be anything, not only books. We can educate ourselves to anything. Like if I like gardening, I can educate myself in that area also.
Ma'am, I think education is simply the process of acquiring knowledge through
yes,
various media.
yes, very good, both of you. Education not only means bookish knowledge, right? We can gain knowledge from everywhere. And updating of new knowledge and learning new things is simply education. Okay? As Albert Einstein has said, it is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. Okay? We are not only learning facts in education, we are also training our mind to think. Right? So
Yes.
let's see what is education. The word educate comes from the Latin word educare, meaning to lead out or to bring out. It comes from a Latin word named educare, which means to lead out or to bring out. To educate means to bring out of the child, the student, that spirit of learning and wonder, the desire to know, that thirst for knowledge. Okay, so what we will bring out from education, we will bring out the spirit of learning, wanting to learn. Okay, that one we can bring out in a child with the help of education, and the desire to know something new, or the thirst for knowledge, or wanting to know new things, wanting to learn new things or develop new skill. Okay, that is basically education. Okay, so what is education? To educate means to bring out of the child, or the student, the spirit of learning and wonder. Okay, the desire to know and the thirst for knowledge. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's
Yes,
start
ma'am.
the definition of education. So, what is the definition of education? Webster defines education as the process of teaching to develop the knowledge, skill, or character of the student. So, now I am teaching you about uh, education, right? So, that is why I am teaching you to develop the skill, to develop the knowledge, right? And also to bring the character of the student. So that is education according to Webster. Okay, the process of teaching to develop the knowledge, skill, and character of the student. Education is the process of bringing desirable change into the human behavior of human beings. When you learn new things, when you acquire new knowledge, your behavior is changed, right? We don't only acquire knowledge in education, as one of you have said. It is not only learning things from books, it is learning from everywhere around us, right? So education will help us to change our behavior and make us into a better person. Next, it can also be defined as the process of imparting or acquiring knowledge and habits through instruction or study. So the process of imparting knowledge, now I am taking your class, means I am imparting knowledge to you, and you are attending my class, means you are acquiring knowledge through my class, right? And habits through instruction, and you will develop habits through instruction or through study, right? Next, sociologist Rodney Stark declares that education is the cheapest, most rapid, and most reliable path to economic advancement under present conditions. We all know, right? Knowledge, if we have knowledge, we have the wealth, right? So education is the cheapest. It is, yes, it is cheapest. It doesn't matter whether you study in a college, in school. You will not get education only in a college or in school. You will get